Hello there. Today, we will walk through how to manage transactions, how we update them, add new ones, and explore the different types of reports available on the cap table. Let's start by going to the Transactions module. Click on Ownership, then select Transactions. Here, transactions are organized into categories like share issuance, convertibles, warrants, and share transfers. To add a new share issuance, go to the Share Issuance tab and click on Add New Transaction. Next, select a stakeholder. Let's say Joe. The share class depends on the funding round we raised and the round for which we want to issue the shares. Let's choose Angel for this example. The certificate number is created automatically, but we can change it if needed. We will issue the shares today and enter the number of shares and the price per share. There are options to generate a share certificate and choose the signatories and template. To add a new template, click Add New Template, and the system will guide us, letting us make changes. In this case, we will record the share issuance without sending it for approval. So we go ahead and click Add. Once the transaction is saved, we can go to the cap table to see the updated information. For example, if we open the dropdown for Joe, we will see that on October 6th, he was issued 753 shares. Double-click this to see details like share class, security class, and price per share. If we want to add transaction tags or comments to this transaction, here's how to edit transactions. Go to the Transaction section. Search for the transactions we added by typing the investor's name. You'll see the latest one. Click the three dots and select Edit Transaction. If we want to tag this transaction, click on Tags, and we'll see tags based on our recent funding round transactions. We can also create a new tag. Let's tag this as the latest Angel round, then click Yes, and add a comment saying Joe participated in this round. Save it. Now, to see these details when we return to the cap table, click on the dropdown, double-click the same transaction. You'll see the tag and any comments we added. These tags help us organize our cap table by transaction tags. To do this, click the settings icon and select Group by Transaction Tags. Now we can view the entire cap table. We will also see the latest addition, the Angel round. We can save this view, name it Joe's View, and create it. Every time an admin logs in, this view will show automatically. We can change it as needed. In the cap table section, we will see a set of columns. If we want to add more columns, just click the settings icon. Here, we can add details like transaction type, price per share, and primary acquisition cost, which is mainly for share transfers. Once added, all the details will appear here. When we click the dropdown, we can view all the details we have entered. If we want to download this data in Excel, click the Download button and select Cap Table Summary. This will give us an Excel report with the columns we added. The Security Class report organizes data by funding rounds or share classes, while the Stakeholder report focuses on stakeholder data and the number of shares they hold. The Cap Table Export is a different report where we can choose the type we want. For example, we can pick Summary or Intermediate Detail, and then export it. We can also choose a date to see the number of shares issued by transaction date. When we click Export, a dialog box will show that the file is being created. We can download it directly or from the notification icon. After downloading, we will see a detailed view at the share class or funding round level. This shows how many shares are issued for each share class. As we scroll down, we will also see all the preferred convertible notes, safe notes, and common shares. The intermediate cap table is for preferred share class holders, and all other shares are grouped into one common share class. The detailed report has all stock types, including common stock, preferred stock, and employee stockholders. This overview gives insight into our cap table reports and transactions. Thank you for watching, and please reach out if you have any questions.